Truck Month is almost over at All-American Chevrolet Midland. Come and take advantage of some of the great specials we have before they're gone.
All this month, you can get this new 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 Crew Cab for only $48,562 or $261 bi-weekly. And that is with a savings of nearly $5,000 off MSRP. And we have many Silverado 1500s available at this price. All are specially priced to go into your driveway. Come take a test drive today.
Don't miss Truck Month, going on now at All-American Chevrolet of Midland.